Before buying a laser welding machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many options look similar, but real buyers are talking about performance and reliability. Let's dig into what actually works so you can make the right choice. Product number 1. GWEEK M800W Laser Welder. The GWEEK M800W 6-in-1 handheld fiber laser welding machine caught my eye right away, especially with its price of $3,899. This machine promises to be 5 times faster than traditional methods, making it worth a serious look if you need efficiency in your welding tasks. The standout feature here is its high-speed handheld laser welding capability, reaching speeds of 200 to 300 cm/min. This means you can complete projects faster, which is crucial if you're working on tight deadlines. Plus, it's not just for welding. The integrated laser cleaning technology lets you clean rust and residues effectively without harmful chemicals, making your work environment safer and cleaner. With its multiple welding modes and a smart touchscreen control, this machine adapts to your needs, whether you're welding, cutting, or cleaning. Now, some users have mentioned that the learning curve can be a bit steep, especially if you're new to laser welding. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the efficiency and quality of welds you achieve are hard to beat. So, if you're willing to invest some time in mastering it, the results will definitely pay off. This is perfect for you if you're a professional welder or a serious DIY enthusiast looking to tackle various metal projects efficiently. Skip this one if you're just getting started in welding and want something more straightforward. Now, if the GWEEK's price feels a bit high for your budget, this next option might just be what you're looking for. Product number 2, 2000W Laser Welding Machine. Next up is the new Laser 2000W Laser Welding Machine, priced at $8,199. The first thing that stood out to me was its versatility with 6 functions, including welding, cleaning, and cutting, making it a solid choice for anyone needing an all-in-one solution. What really solves your problem is its newly upgraded aluminum casing that's not only corrosion resistant, but also heat resistant up to 300 degrees Celsius. That means durability, especially for long-term use. The machine features a smart control panel that supports 24 languages and a process library for quick setup, eliminating the guesswork involved with adjustments. This is crucial when you need to switch between tasks seamlessly without wasting time. However, some users have pointed out that the machine is quite heavy at 304 pounds, which can be cumbersome if you're frequently moving it around. But if you have a dedicated workspace, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. In fact, the stability it offers during operation can lead to better weld quality. This is perfect for you if you're involved in heavy DIY projects or professional welding tasks. Skip this one if you need something more portable and lightweight for occasional use. Alright, that was a great option. But the next one might be even better for those who prioritize efficiency without breaking the bank. Product number 3, 4-in-1 Laser Welding Machine. Coming in at $5,299. The generic 4-in-1 laser welding machine is another strong choice. Its double wobble design caught my attention, allowing for cleaner welds and faster operation. This machine supports welding, cutting, and cleaning functions, making it incredibly versatile. Its 1200W power means you can tackle metals like aluminum, stainless steel, and even copper with ease. The built-in water chiller is another big plus. It allows continuous operation for up to 24 hours, which is perfect for those marathon work sessions. The smart control panel simplifies operations, so even beginners can get started quickly. However, some users have expressed concerns about the need for a 220V power supply. If your workspace lacks this, you'll need a step-up transformer, which can add to your overall cost. But if you're prepared for that, the performance is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a robust machine for both home and professional use. Skip this if you only need a simple welding tool for small projects. Now, if you're looking for something more portable, the next product might suit your needs perfectly. Product number 4, X1 460W Handheld Laser Welder. The X1 460W handheld laser welding machine offers a more compact option at $2,799, and honestly, its lightweight design is super appealing if you're working in tight spaces. This model is 5 times faster than traditional TIG welding, which is a huge time saver. Its 460W laser provides high-quality welds with less spatter and fumes, which means a cleaner work environment and less cleanup afterward. The ergonomic design helps you maintain control for precise welding, which is especially important for intricate tasks. Plus, it comes with safety gear, including goggles, which is a nice touch. On the downside, the X1 does require a 220V outlet to operate. If your space isn't equipped for that, you'll need to factor in the cost of a transformer. But once you get it set up, the mobility and ease of use make it a fantastic choice for versatile applications. This is perfect for you if you need a portable solution for various welding tasks. Skip it if you're focused on heavy industrial use with thicker metals. Finally, if you're looking for something with even more power and functionality, the last machine on our list is definitely worth considering. Product number 5, 2000W Laser Welding Machine 4-in-1. Last on our list is the 2000W Laser Welding Machine 4-in-1, retailing for $10,699. The cart-type design is honestly a game-changer for mobility, making it easy to move around your workspace, which is perfect for varying job sites. This machine features a double wire feeder, allowing for stronger and more efficient welding, especially in larger gaps. It also supports multiple materials like aluminum, steel, and titanium, which means you can handle a variety of projects without switching machines. The smart control panel is user-friendly and supports multiple languages, further enhancing its accessibility. However, the price point is definitely on the higher end, and it may not be the best choice for hobbyists or those on a tight budget. But if you're a professional needing reliable performance and versatility, the investment could pay off significantly in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're a professional in need of a powerful and adaptable welding machine. Skip this if you're just starting out and looking for a more affordable entry-level option. So, to wrap things up, we've looked at the GWEEK M800W for speed, the new Elaser for versatility, the 4-in-1 generic for robustness, the compact X1 for portability, and the powerful 2000W laser welding machine for professional use. Each one of these machines has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what features matter the most to you before making a decision.